Hi friends, in this video I am showing how to write justify a string. For write justifying a string, first of all we have to define a string as equal to hello world. Then for write justifying this string, we are using the method rjust. So print s dot rjust, then the value to justify and comma, then we are padding with a space. So we will get the result hello world. If you want to pad with slash hyphen, then this will become hello world, or we can use any symbols here for padding the right. Thanks for watching this video.